A wintry kind of day out there coming for the next several days for us. Yesterday, kind of the calm before the storm. Nice conditions here on our end of the state with temps in the 40s and 50s. In fact, very nice conditions all across the Panhandle and southeastern Wyoming yesterday. Winds were not too terribly warm. We had some morning showers as well that actually dropped a little bit of precip yesterday. Right now, we have temps in the 30s across the area, low to mid 30s, in fact. Winds not too bad, under 10 miles an hour for the most part, and wind chills, though, down into the 20s thanks to those few winds that we do have. We mentioned some precip yesterday. We had 1800s in Kimball, 0.2 of an inch down in Cheyenne, 1700s in Sidney. So more along that I-80 corridor, lesser amounts to the north, 1100s in Alliance, 800s in Scotts Bluff. Radar and satellite shows all that rain that we had yesterday has slid off to the east and southeast away from us, and we're getting ready for the next storm system that we're going to watch coming into the area from the Pacific Northwest. Couple of storm systems going to interact with each other. The first is the storm system off to our east and southeast this morning. It's going to get a little better organized, and it's going to continue to move some precip that will develop today back to the west off of this cloud base here. The other storm system will come in further from the west to interact with it and get us a better chance of snow as we get later on into the weekend. But we're going to be dealing with a fairly active weekend overall. Winter weather advisories for the heart of the North Platte River Valley from Wheatland to Torrington down to Scotts Bluff, Sidney, and Oshkosh. Further to the north, it's winter storm warnings from Lusk over to Alliance, Chadron, and then really off to the east across a large portion of Nebraska, South Dakota, a big heart of Nebraska, extended even further south now to North Platte, Kearney, Norfolk. Those areas all encompassed by winter storm warnings. Over the next few hours, cloudy skies are what we're going to be seeing here for the next several hours and really through the day today. Rain, snow chances should hold off until afternoon and then switching over to snow as we go through the evening. A little bit of light fog out there when you get on the bus this morning, 33 degrees, and then on the way home that will clear up, but skies won't. It'll still be overcast and temps into the upper 30s. Let's look at futurecasts then through the morning hours today. We're dealing with clouds, lots of them too. They're going to be prevalent throughout the day today. We'll start to see some rain and snow showers this afternoon. High temperatures today are going to top out into the upper 30s to near 40, so some 10-plus degrees cooler, 15 degrees cooler in some locations today than where we were yesterday. Things start to get more active tonight. Notice the precip off to our east starting to fill back into the west. Now, the heavier precip tonight is certainly going to be to our east, but by late tonight into tomorrow, we're going to start to see activity increase here across our region. Low temperatures tonight, upper 20s to near 30. Now, tomorrow, this is when we start to get active. We bring that snow in from the east, fill it into the west as it wraps around. It will be a little strong, especially to our east, and snow throughout the day tomorrow. Best chances of snow and the heaviest snow look like it'll be tomorrow night into Sunday morning. High temperatures tomorrow not really going anywhere either, in the mid-30s at best for most of us. Snowfall accumulations heaviest in central and eastern Nebraska. Areas bound from, say, O'Neill over to Mullen, down to Broken Bow, close to Kearney. Maybe a foot or more of snow from this storm system. We're going to be dealing with 7 to 10 inches or so around Ogallala, Norfolk, Valentine. Maybe near a foot in Kearney in some locations. Our area, we're going to see snowfall totals that are going to be highest to our east and northeast of Scotts Bluff. Say Chadron area, maybe 5 to 8 inches. Lusk, 5 to 8. More amounts even from Ogallala over towards Mullen. And then right here in the local area, it looks like snowfall totals probably going to be in that 2 to 4 to 3 to 6 inch range. Slightly heavier snowfall totals around Dalton possibly, and some elevation-dependent snowfall totals. But I think a general 2 to 4 to 3 to 6 inches looks probable by the time we end this snow on Sunday. It's not going to come too heavy at any one point in time, but it'll be a longer duration event off and on snow beginning today all the way through Sunday before it comes to an end. Cold temperatures behind this system. Look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 30 at best, maybe into the mid-30s Wednesday, and another system going to bring us another shot of colder air and maybe a little bit of snow as we get to Thursday of next week. Very active storm system over the next couple of days. We don't expect a ton of wind with it, but some accumulating snow definitely likely.